Hello everyone. Today I would like to discuss about the regulation of cosmetic product containing nanomaterials. I would like to discuss about the laws deal with nanomaterials in cosmetic in European Union. Some cosmetic products contain insoluble nanoparticles. Concerns have been voiced as to the safety of cosmetic products with these ingredients. According to the cosmetic regulation, nanomaterial means an insoluble or biopersistent and intentionally manufactured material with one or more external dimensions or an internal structure on the scale from 1 to 100 nanometer. According to the definition of nanomaterial, a material is considered to be insoluble if it remains in the same shape and size and does not disintegrate into ionic or molecular forms in its solution. A material is considered to be a nanomaterial if it is manufactured by a physical or chemical process, with a view to intentionally obtaining nanometric scale objects or structure. There are a few rules in Europe for the use of insoluble nanoparticles in cosmetic. According to the cosmetic regulation, the manufacturer or importer of a cosmetic product has to assess the safety of the product prior to placing it to the market and document this. This has to be done taking into consideration the general toxicological profile of the ingredients, their chemical structure, and their level of exposure. According to Article 16 of the Cosmetic Regulation, cosmetic products containing nanomaterials shall be notified to the Commission by the responsible person by electronic means 6 months prior to being placed on the market. Cosmetic regulation lays down rules on the composition, labeling, and packaging of cosmetic products. Nanomaterials must be labeled in the list of ingredients with the word nano in brackets following the name of the substance. For example, titanium oxide, nano in bracket. The safety evaluation is being assessed by the competent authorities of the member states in market controls. If these authorities find that the safety evaluation is insufficient to support the safety of the product, they have to take the necessary measures to enforce the community rules. There are a few specific measures as the European Commission is taken to address the safety of insoluble nanoparticles. Insoluble nanoparticles in cosmetic products are used as UV filters. UV filters have to be permitted by the European Committee prior to their use in cosmetic products placed on the European market. Some minerals, if used in a nanoscale, become invisible but still absorb UV radiation. The UV filtering substances are increasingly used in order to have a broadband sun protection, including UVA radiation. The advantage of mineral UV filters is that they do not cause cutaneous effects, such as contact allergens. The Commission has permitted one mineral UV filter which is used in its nanoscale in sunscreen products, which is titanium dioxide, while zinc oxide has not been permitted by the European Commission as UV filter, as the safety of zinc oxide as UV filter had not been sufficiently demonstrated. There are a few roles of European Commission. The Commission makes a list of nanomaterials used in cosmetic products, including those used as colorants, UV filters, and preservatives. The list will be regularly updated. The Commission published a report on the use of nanomaterials in the European Union in different cosmetic product groups, including those used as colorants, UV filters, and preservatives. The report will be updated annually. The Commission regularly reviews the provisions of the cosmetic regulation concerning nanomaterials in the light of scientific progress and propose suitable amendments to those provisions. Nanomaterial notification data shall contain at least the following. Firstly, the identification of the nanomaterial, including its chemical name, that is IUPAC name. The specification of the nanomaterial, including size of particles, physical and chemical properties. an estimate of the quantity of nanomaterial contained in cosmetic products intended to be placed on the market per year, the toxicological profile of the nanomaterial, the safety data of the nanomaterial relating to the category of cosmetic product as used in such products, the reasonably foreseeable exposure conditions. There are a few roles of Scientific Committee on Consumer Safety (SCCS). SCCS develops guidance on the safety assessment of nanomaterials in cosmetics. The guidance document explains components of the regulation related to the definition of a nanomaterial and requirements for notifications, labeling, and safety assessment of cosmetic products that contain nanomaterial ingredients. The SCCS also provides consideration for testing nanomaterials. When the European Commission has safety concerns regarding a nanomaterial, it will request an opinion from SCCS. In conclusion, all cosmetic products, including those containing nanomaterials, are subject to rigorous safety testing and evaluation. This is regulated by an exhaustive European regulatory framework. These are the references I have been used to prepare this material. Thank you.